The Alabama Department of Public Health reported more than 1 million calls on the first day of the COVID-19 vaccine hotline. And viewers have reached out to us in regards to long wait times and having issues getting through for information. Gabby Easterwood is joining us live from the Mobile County Health Department with the latest. Good evening, Gabby.
Good evening, Amber. And like you just said, over 300,000 Alabamians by January 18th are going to be able to get the COVID-19 vaccine. But of course, they have to make an appointment first. And the way they do that is to call the ADPH hotline. But all of those viewers who've reached out to us say they haven't been able to get through yet.
But it was 820 times, did not get through at all.
An unsettling amount of times, Judy Persons has tried to call the hotline to set up an appointment for her 82-year-old husband.
It'll sound like the call's going through, and it rings and rings and rings. And after it rings about 10 or 12 times, it just cuts me off.
And we had the same luck when we tried to get through.
I think it's a little silly that there's only one number for every person in the state to call. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me. I think they would have set it up more people, more lines or something.
One of the problems the ADPH is seeing with these high call volumes are people who are not currently eligible for the vaccine still calling the hotline. Those in phase 1B, part of the newly eligible.
That's a lot of vaccines, a lot of injections to be given, so it's really going to take the private doctors, the pharmacies, the hospitals, and everybody working together.
Since that busy signal seems to be widespread, the ADPH says a lot of overflow calls have been going to local hospitals, including those here in the Mobile area. In a message today, they said in part, quote, "Please do not call your local hospital directly to set up appointments to be scheduled to receive your COVID-19 vaccine. We have learned that hospital switchboards are being overwhelmed with calls, which is creating an obstacle to patient care. Overall, things are still in the early stages, and patience is key."
A slower start than probably a lot of people want, but we do not want to be like in Florida where people are waiting in lines for hours and then not being able to get vaccine.
Now, we did reach out to the Alabama Department of Public Health on what their plan is moving forward when it comes to these high call volumes and those not being able to get through to the hotline, but they were not available for comment. Reporting live in downtown Mobile, I'm Gabby Easterwood, WKRG News 5.
All right, thanks, Gabby, for that update. Now, we've been keeping you updated on the ADPH vaccination hotline on our free WKRG News app. Get up-to-date alerts like this one sent to your phone. It's free in the App Store and on Google Play.